Located in the reference section on the second floor of the library, you will find the Reader's Guide books. Look for and write down the journal name, date of the article, and the page numbers. Check the white periodical binder to confirm that the microfilm containing your article is in our collection. Pull the microfilm from the file drawers located along the west walls of the library. Bring the microfilm box to the microfilm room. If the computer is not already on, turn on the computer tower. Use the username and password located at the top of the monitor to log in. Locate the View Scan shortcut on the screen and double-click to open the program. Click anywhere on the screen to open the program. Select Standard Mode. The software will now turn on the microfilm camera. Using the silver bar, gently pull out the tray until the top glass pops up. To load the microfilm onto the machine, push the roll firmly onto the left spool. Be sure the film is going over the spool, not under. Pull the film through the open glass and spool over the empty reel. Push the tray back until you can view the film on the monitor. Using the controls on the monitor, use the arrows to move the film forward and backwards. Tools such as rotate, zoom, and settings can be found on the top menu. The image may appear on the screen as a negative. To change to a positive image, use the control on the top control ribbon. If the image appears upside down, rotate the image by using the controls at the top of the screen. Click the Cropping tab to select the material that you want to print. The cursor will turn it into a plus sign. Click and drag the cursor over the text to be cropped for printing. Click Captured Cropped Area at the bottom of the page. Next, hit Print Image on the lower right of the page. The image is now ready to be sent to the printer.